Please welcome Lucy, the visionary founder behind Daughters of Mars.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to speak to you here today. My name is Lucy Hope, and I'm the founder of the Daughters of Mars, and we are reinventing the tampon for proactive vaginal wellness. So the tampon is built on 90-year-old thinking. They were patented in 1933 to hide and deal with the inconvenience of menstrual blood, and largely they've not changed much in terms of form or function. Tampons today, containing plastics and chemicals as standard, are known triggers of imbalance in women's bodies that's leading to an increase in female gynecological conditions. And the stats are terrifying. The World Health Organization reports that 1 in 3 women across the globe is suffering from BV, which is an incredibly uncomfortable gynae condition. The problem's huge, but the problem is hidden. Just to illustrate, that means that 1 in 3 women sitting in this room today is silently suffering with BV. There's a 58% repeat rate, which means that over half the women will get it again within 6 to 12 months. And it's not just about bacterial vaginosis. It's part of a growing trend of an increase in preventable gynae conditions, including thrush, which will affect 158 million women by 2030. And it's now a fact that BV is associated with incredibly serious reproductive conditions such as infertility and miscarriage, risk of developing ovarian cancer, risk of sexually transmitted diseases and HIV, and pelvic inflammatory disease. The good news is that whilst tampons have not moved on much since 1933, the science and our understanding of the microbiome has. The vaginal microbiome makes up about 9% of the total female vaginal microbiome, and it's the focus of a considerable amount of research at the moment, opening up a large opportunity for new innovative technologies. And that's why we're here. And we're really excited. At the Daughters of Mars, we want to reframe the tampon as a monthly microbiome wellness tool to prevent BV and thrush. This puts us at the intersection of 3 vast and growing markets. It's the 69 billion feminine hygiene product market, the 1.86 billion bacterial vaginosis medical market, and the 1.7 billion human microbiome market. I have a great team of advisors who have built and exited successful businesses with innovative products in new categories. I myself was part of a startup team that brought to market a health and wellness product in an entirely new category during the pandemic. We turned over 9.8 million in our first year alone. So we have identified this massive problem, and we've identified a massive solution. So why us? Well, our differentiator is our Milk and Iron Miracle Microbiome technology. It's patented, trademarked, and we have freedom to operate. Our tampon technology instantly absorbs into the vaginal mucosa, supporting commensal bacteria and re-establishing a healthy acidic pH, which is knocked out of balance by alkaline period blood. There's nothing else like us on the market, and we're here to take advantage of the fact that in the UK alone, 150 million tampons are used and disposed of every single month. We think that's 150 million lost wellness opportunities, just in the UK. A lot of people ask us about our name, the Daughters of Mars. They were Amazon warrior queens, fierce, trailblazing women who refused to accept the status quo and pushed the boundaries of the then-known world. They built a future of women for women. And by reframing the tampon with our patented technology as a delivery platform, we embody that warrior spirit of going against received wisdom and what's been done before, leveraging the monthly period for wellness. There are signals of change in this space from other excellent challenger brands. Our differentiator is we're the only tampon with proactive, preventative microbiome care that's proven to be effective against the bacteria that cause BV. And we've made incredible leaps in just over a year. We've raised £115,000 in grant funding from Innovate UK and the National Biofilms Innovation Centre, and we've been accepted on the prestigious and wonderful Femtech Lab Accelerator. We're currently in pre-production and in product testing, and we're looking for funding to accelerate over the next 6 months, finalise product testing, manufacture and launch in the UK by the end of the year. Over the next 12 months, we have a multi-channel commercialisation strategy across D2C and retail, and a pipeline of product for range expansion. This includes the possibility of using our Milk and Iron technology on other period care products, such as pads and a spray for moon cups, as well as nutraceutical supplements for the times of the month and the phases of life when women aren't menstruating. There's also the highly scalable option of licensing our Milk and Iron technology B2B to other brands. In short, we're the Daughters of Mars, and we're redefining tampons for proactive vaginal wellness. We want to achieve something incredible, and we're looking for mission-aligned people to collaborate with and support us with our ambitious plans. I warmly invite you to come and have a conversation with us. There's a QR code on the screen. Please do take a picture, and we look forward to connecting with you. And I'll take any questions.
I'm interested to hear more around your go-to-market strategy and how you're going to acquire customers. You know, when I didn't know 9% of a woman's total microbiome is in the vagina. So how are you, is there going to be an education piece around it, and how are you going to go about that?
Yeah, I think inevitably there's going to have to be a huge education piece. A lot more people do know about the microbiome because there's been a lot of great work from Zoe that's raising the awareness of the gut microbiome. And I think the next kind of big education point is that women have a really important vaginal microbiome, but they don't really know about it, and also do not know just how important and crucial it is for their gynecological health. So part of our go-to-market strategy would definitely have to be a big education piece. Launching D2C on our own platform and with Unfabled, and then really want to get into retail very soon after that.
Well done on the branding, it looks amazing.
Thank you.
Can you tell us a little bit about your manufacturing production strategy? How do you see that to manage margins, but also control the quality?
We're very lucky with our manufacturing partners that they produced a medical device standard, and we're really just excited that we can use our coating in their existing manufacturing capabilities.
Thank you for a great pitch. Really love it. Love the branding. Looks amazing.
Thank you.
I also work in the similar space, so we should definitely talk.
Fabulous.
I'm interested in your scientific evidence for this, actually. So you said that it's proven to positively impact the vaginal microbiome. How is it proven?
So we've been working on using these proteins on textiles since 2009, and I've launched products based on this technology already. We've got ISO standards for antibacterial textiles, and we've done all sorts of testing to prove the active on the bacteria in question. This is the new thing here is now applying it to a tampon, really. So we've already got over 10 years of evidence. The actual active itself has been used in a clinical trial in pessary form, so that's already been evidenced and proven to be highly effective at preventing and treating BV.
Well done.
Thank you very much.
Such a style.